What's going on, everyone? This is Kevin Breeze here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the LG Phoenix 4 faster. So without further ado, let's get started. So you're going to start off by pulling down the shade here. You're going to go over to the settings, then you're going to go over to General, scroll down to About Phone, and then from here we're going to go down to Software Info. And then on software info, we're going to tap on build number 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Actually, just tap on it several times until it says that you are now a developer. Now that you're a developer, you need to go back one more time, and you're going to see this new option here called Developer Options. You're going to tap on Developer Options, and the warning's fine. This is totally normal. You're going to tap on OK here. Then you're going to go down until you get to animations, and I just passed it. Here we go, animations. So by default, the animation scale is set at 1x for the window animation, transition animation, and the animator duration. But you can actually switch this ranging from 10x to completely off. So if we put it at 0.5x, it will be about twice as quick for the animations throughout the device. So you can see already that just by changing that setting there, whether it's pulling up the app drawer here or pulling up the Messages app or the dialer, everything is a lot quicker than it was before. Now that's at just 0.5x. Now we can also turn the animations completely off if you want to. So we're going to go back to Developer Options. We're going to go down to the setting again where the animations are. And we're going to turn these animations completely off. So now, instead of having to wait while the device goes through its normal animations, everything is pretty instant. So you're able to instantly pull up the messaging app. You're able to instantly pull up the camera here and the dialer and any other application that you use on the device. You can just see it really dramatically speeds up everything here. So this is something that a lot of people don't know about, but you can actually do with most Android devices. So that's pretty awesome. Now, if you want to try something else, you can go back to that option and go back to animations, and we can try 10x, so the slowest possible animation. And you can just see that the animations are so slow here. It's kind of ridiculous. I mean, really. I don't know who would want animations this slow with their device. But it is an option. I mean, that's the cool thing about Android, is that you have so many different ways that you can customize your device to your specific needs. So you can see just like that, I was able to kind of change these animations up, and the device behaves completely differently. Now, I can't really see a situation where you'd want the animations to be this slow. And for me personally, I think that putting the animations on that 0.5x instead of 1x is probably the best compromise, because you're getting faster speeds, but you still do get a little bit of animation. And I think there's definitely some bonuses to having an animation. I mean, it's always kind of cool. So if you put it at 0.5x, it'll make things quicker than the default, but you still get some animations here. So hopefully you found that to be helpful. But basically, that is how you can make your LG Phoenix 4 faster. So if you enjoyed this video, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Make sure to check out my other LG Phoenix 4 videos on my channel. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.